Hey everyone, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you in the world of mini drones. We'll be comparing two popular options, the DEERC D20 mini drone and the ATTOP mini drone. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. When it comes to capturing stunning aerial photos and videos, both drones have their own unique features. The DEERC D20 mini drone is equipped with a 720p HD Wi-Fi camera, allowing you to take better quality shots. Plus, it offers FPV transmission, meaning you can see a live video feed through your smartphone app. On the other hand, the ATTOP mini drone also captures HD pictures and live videos, providing fantastic first-person view experiences. The view is shown directly on your phone, giving you a great FPV experience. Safety and performance are crucial factors when it comes to mini drones. The DEERC D20 mini drone features low power alarm, emergency stop, and 4 propeller guards, ensuring a safe flight experience. It also comes with 2 rechargeable and powerful batteries, supporting up to 20 minutes of flight time. Additionally, this drone offers 3D flips and waypoints fly, allowing you to perform impressive tricks and draw flight courses on your smartphone. Similarly, the ATTOP mini drone focuses on safety with its safe design, low battery warning, and emergency stops. It also offers a decent flight time of 5 to 6 minutes after a full charge. Moreover, it has multiple flight functions, including 360 degrees flips and trajectory flight. It even has 3 control modes: remote, app, and voice control. Mini drones are often popular among kids and beginners, so ease of use is crucial. The DEERC D20 mini drone is known for its magical simplicity. With just a tap on the one-key start landing button, it's ready to fly. It also features altitude hold, which helps maintain a certain height, making it easy to control and capture high-quality footage. Additionally, it offers voice control and gesture selfie features, allowing you to control the drone with simple voice commands and capture photos or videos with hand gestures. Similarly, the ATTOP mini drone is designed with kids and beginners in mind. It offers one-key takeoff landing for easy operation and altitude hold for stable flights. It also has headless mode and 3 speed modes to assist beginners in learning to fly. Additionally, it has multiple control modes including remote, app, and voice control, making it versatile and user-friendly. The DEERC D20 mini drone emerges as the winner in the camera, flight performance, and ease of use categories. And there you have it, our comparison of the DEERC D20 mini drone and the ATTOP mini drone. While both drones have their own strengths, the DEERC D20 mini drone emerges as the winner in the camera, flight performance, and ease of use categories. However, it's important to consider your personal preferences and budget before making a final decision. We hope this comparison has helped you in making a smarter buying decision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Let us know in the comments which products you'd like us to compare next. Until then, stay tuned and buy smart.